We've just finished watching the film Synthetic Plastics, and now I'm going to teach you how to make a funny noise. Here's what you need. You'll need 3 bolts, 1 marble, and 2 balloons. First, what we're going to do, we're going to take this balloon and put a marble inside it, like so. Secondly, we're going to take these 3 bolts and put them into this balloon. Okay, now I've got 3 bolts in here and I've got 1 marble in here. What I'm going to do now is blow them up and they should make different noises. So here's our balloon, let's see how it sounds. Cool, kind of sounds like a car. Let's take a minute and see how the other balloon sounds. So you can hear there's a big difference between the 2 balloons, depending on what you put inside of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this activity.